I took a big old risk, and I crossed that right there we're about to go through, so maybe we'll be able to get a video shot of us going across that again. It is a little nerve-wracking, I'm not gonna lie. It feels like it's gonna snatch the machine and take us down the river, but it doesn't. So honey, if something goes wrong here and this thing rolls or something, you wanna go diagonal with the water to an edge. Don't try to swim up, don't try to swim straight across, go diagonal. Trust me on this, okay? That way, yeah. Get ready, here we go. Look down, look down, look down, look down, the boat, there we go. So we got water on this side, which is always dry. Them dogs are gonna get washed away right now. What are you doing? Look at this joker. Well, good boy.
He's like, yeah.
Well, good boy. Nobody else is gonna do that. Look at Chase, he's gonna do it. Look at that, good boys. I'm gonna have to jump in there to get Venus on it. Good. Wow, look at this. Wow. We're washed out. That was unnerving. Okay. Boy, I have my heart going just now. Oh, she grabbed us and pulled us. Did you feel that? Yep, got a hold in my boot, went over on my pant leg. Let me see, honey. This is normally bone dry in here. The river splits up here, the stream. You really can't really see it. There's normally a split way up there, but the whole thing filled up both sides. So we're gonna go up this. Here we go. Oh yeah, and let's look at that waterfall, the screens. Yep. All right. Boys. Look at the mist down here. Yes, yep.